Hello and welcome to the Cisco Live 2014 highlights brought to you by the Internet Storm Center. I wanted to take a few moments and highlight what the messaging was this year, and it's clear what Cisco and industry is saying. They have caught on to the Internet of Things and calling it the Internet of Everything. It's a wild, wild world we're heading towards. And the messaging was so clear and fascinating and exciting and scary all at the same time. Let's take a look at what the data was at the actual event. Right here, we're looking at a density map of the convention center in San Francisco, and that is just, that's stunning. We're talking about the Internet of Things. Well, it looks like it's already here. That's a lot of devices, and we can't even begin to imagine the devices that we're going to connect. That's the last day count right before I left, and that's the amount of data that was transacted across the entire network over the event. And now I want to take a moment to pause and show you some things that I captured on the show floor. This first one was pretty exciting and a very popular booth. The idea of improving how you can grow your grapes and make better wine. You take a look here, they're talking about in the barrel, automating the processes for watering, checking the soil, how it's racked, how it's packaged, and of course, how it goes into the glass. This was a really popular booth, but their messaging included how they're going to change your health experience, how we're going to learn differently as we connect all of these devices and provide big data sets. They were showing how it's going to get into your home and what it's going to do to change our daily lives in our homes. The messaging said, connect it all. We just want to connect everything. And it's interesting going over this because one of the cases that they were showing here is how they're going to change our shopping experience. And they used a city of Barcelona as their example in which the technology improved the efficiency of how garbage was retrieved by the garbage trucks. Instead of vehicles driving in one particular route, they would go when the garbage can said, hey, come change me. And once the garbage can said, hey, I need to be changed, that would drive the route that the driver went, and there was a huge increase in efficiency. So this is coming. What does it mean to us as security operators? It means we have to be ready to protect all kinds of devices because they're going to connect them. So now you can think about your rogue informational access toilet. That would be funny. Or, one of the things that I've maintained, those that have heard me, I've maintained this idea that your toaster is going to have an affair with your refrigerator and run off with the TV's lawyer. Bottom line, it's exciting, it's fascinating, and it's a really big challenge for us. So, highlights from Cisco Live. This is Richard Porter signing off from Goodyear, Arizona, saying Internet of Everything is coming, and that's what the message was at Cisco Live 2014.